She moves like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe, with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named, while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she moves keeps pulling at my chain. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance. She hums a tune I've never heard, in languages I can't speak. She writes down cities on her wrist, and dreams she'll never keep. I sip my coffee, miss my cue, still anchored by my fear. But time rolls on like open roads, and soon she won't be here. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance. Maybe next year in Madrid, or on some quiet mountain ridge, I'll see you turn and I'll be brave. But what if courage comes too late? Oh, traveler, the world is your open gate, and I just stood afraid of fate. If I don't take that step today, you'll vanish with the train, and I'll never see your smile again.
Guys, it is now 12 o'clock the next day, and I'm supposed to wake up at 3 a.m. but I just decided that I'm not gonna sleep, and I'm just gonna start getting ready. And now it's 12, I'm gonna start getting ready now, and I have to still pack my bag. So first, let's go shower, brush my teeth, wash my face, all that. Guys, so I just took a shower. It is now 12:31. It's about to be 1 p.m. in like 29 minutes. I wore a white shirt. Actually, the dress code was blue, but the only blue thing I own is this blue with blue sweatpants. I was gonna wear my blue sweatpants, but then I changed my mind because I feel like the jeans would be better with the cold. So I wore my white shirt on the bottom. That was actually still not gonna wear this, but then I remember they said it's gonna be super cold and to wear a white shirt under, like not a white shirt but to wear a shirt under for like, because in the morning it's cold and in the afternoon it gets hot, so wear a shirt under for changing or something. So I have my white shirt from Ambience. I have my long sleeve purple top from H&M. I have my jeans. These are flare jeans with cute little pockets from Suave Vita. And right now I'm going to be wearing my socks. I already bought them at Home Plus in Curacao. So yeah, and then I'm going to be doing my get ready with me for TikTok at this hour of night because I'm gonna start getting ready. And my plan is to do my hair in a half up, half down, but the half up is gonna be in guinea pigs because I really wanted to do that. And I feel like I'm gonna stay with these same earrings on.
Low key.
Okay guys, so I just did my get ready with me for TikTok and I just packed my bag. I basically have like emergency kit, like my pad, lip gloss, snacks like my banana chips, crackers, chocolate biscuit, scarf, ears warmer, wallet, paper, anyways, all that. And I'm gonna come back to you guys when I feel like it because I don't know. Guys, it is now 3:55 a.m. and we are getting ready to leave. Got a scarf on top of this on my mouth, on my nose, and a vest that don't even fit me.
Los zarcillos, esas avecitas que están aquí.
Not gonna hide this, like staying in this makes you sleep because the boat goes and the wind is cold.
Toda esa forma caprichosas, arcos, cuevas, grietas, es producto de la fuerza del mar.
I don't know if you guys saw that. off of the boat and we're gonna take a group picture now. So we're trying chocolate. It's called Chicoteja. Let's try it. It's good. Good, I guess. This one's of orange. Johan is supposed to special cookie. It's next up is this special cookie.
La chocoteja vienen en cajita. En cada cajita vienen 6 unidades. Una cajita está aquí.
Hey guys, I got a little penguin. So cute. Guys, I took off my shoes.
Recuerda que eso se esa época todavía era un esclavo africano, los sacos, ¿verdad? En época un presidente llamado Ramón García le da la libertad.
Guys, we arrived to our second destination that is basically the desert. So that was fun. Look at this. We ran it down. It was fun. Bisa kita? Maracuya. This is maracuya. Refreshing.
Maracuyá da passion fruit.
Passion fruit. We are going to eat now, so let's go. arrived to the restaurant. I'm sleepy. Okay, guys, we just finished eating. We ate fries and
Allá en Curazao
chicken.
hablan qué idiomas.
Normal.
¿Es en inglés?
Papiamento.
¿O es en portugués?
No.
Porque eso es que damas luego van a ver el renacuajo.
Guys, these are big
Así que
people
tengan mucho
stuff.
cuidado porque
So
es una
let's get
bebida
this.
muy, pero muy engañosa.
Guys, so now that's over, and I think we're leaving now. Okay, guys, after a long day today, I think we're going home now, and not home to the hotel. It's gonna be like 5 hours drive plus. We have plenty people in here that are gonna be brought to their hotel before us, so it's gonna take even longer for us to go to our own hotel because we were the first to be picked up, so basically we're gonna be the last. Basically. Okay, guys, we finally arrived to our hotel. Yeah. Okay, guys, so why is the camera so low? Anyways, I just took a shower and now I'm getting ready for bed. I am so obsessed with my new penguin, and my Snoopy got a best friend now. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on that bell so you get notified every time I make a new video. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye!